Hey, welcome to Booze Hive. In this video, we're going to make a bees knees mocktail. Let's get into it. First, we create some honey simple syrup. Add 2 parts honey to 1 part warm water, then stir on heat until it has dissolved. This syrup is much easier to add to colder drinks than honey. Next, add 1 part lemon juice, 1 part of your honey syrup, and 6 to 8 raspberries to a cocktail shaker. Then muddle them all together. After that, fill your shaker with ice and give it a good shake. Lastly, strain your drink into a fancy glass. Then top it with either lemonade or soda water. There we go, the Raspberry Bees Knees Mocktail. Make sure you tweet us a picture of what your mocktail looks like. We always love sharing your creations. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this Booze Hive recipe, please leave a like on this video. It really helps. Bye!